Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And also, please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. That is your way to show your support sa ating channel. Okay? So, let's see Sagittarius. What's coming to you this week? A leg up. Okay? Someone might be helping you, assisting you. May mag-a-assist sa'yo sa pag-abot ng iyong goal or ng dreams mo. Or kung ano man yung kahit simpleng tulong, no, na ibibigay sa'yo para magawa mo yung goal mo. Example, may magpapahiram sa'yo ng sasakyan. Kung kailangan mo para makapunta ka dun sa lugar na pupuntahan mo na mas komportable. Usap round and round. So, maaaring yung iba sa inyo marami kayong iniisip or iisipin ngayong week na to about yung mga activities na gagawin ninyo. Lalo na matatapos na ang taon, diba? So, some of you, you are gearing towards a new chapter in your life or a new direction na gusto mong tahakin. And yung mga bagay, tao na kailangan mong mapuntahan or makilala, yan ay ipapakita sa'yo this week. So, it's like saying na you are where you are supposed to be. Let's see your energy. You have the King of Swords. Okay, very practical, logical in terms of your decision making. I think yung discipline, no? Ngayon, disiplinado ka sa mga gusto mong gawin, i-pursue. You have the Knight of Cups as well. So, maaring merong offer sa'yo or someone will offer you romantic connection. Ang daming offer, ha? Knight of Pentacles. This can also be a job offer for you. And yung iba sa inyo may offer to travel to another place. It's either for a business or for a career or for a seminar, training. Let's see what else. You're going on an adventure. Uy, 8 of Cups. Yung iba, meron kayong paglipat ng bahay. Pwedeng naisip nyo, mas maganda na masimula ng bagong taon na may bagong place, bagong work, bagong trabaho, bagong tirahan. You're going to focus on saving money, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka masyadong magsuspend ng pera ngayong week na to. Mas focus ka sa goal mo na makapag-ipon. Pwedeng, medyo naging magastos ka nung nakaraang taon, ngayong 2024. So, this coming 2025, you're focused on saving more money, focusing on your stability ng finances mo, and kung paano mo aalagaan yung family mo, yung mga taong umaasa sa'yo. Kasi I see a lot of people here, no? Sa iyong reading. So, maaring marami kang kailangang asikasuhin or bigyan ng attention. Okay? So, maaring you are also going to collaborate and work with other people. Kaya maraming taong involved sa'yo this week. Katrabaho, mahal sa buhay, romantic connection, o yung mga makakasama mo sa travels mo if you plan to travel to some places this week. May mga situation ka ngayon na parang iniisip mo kung may kailangan bang magbago. Although you want some changes, of course, pero hindi yun talaga completely babaguhin mo. Let's say, pwedeng lilipat ka ng bahay, pero hindi ka lilipat ng ibang trabaho, lilipat ka lang ng ibang lugar. It's either lilipat ka naman ng trabaho, pero hindi ka lilipat ng bahay. Oo. You will also spend time with your friends and family, or meron ditong pagsasama-sama, pagsasalo-salo. So, pwedeng you will spend New Year ngayong week na to with your loved ones, no? Pwedeng nasa one with nature kayo, it's either nasa beach, or nasa resort, or a place na may bonfire, pwede kayong mag-bonfire, or merong night party, nightlife, ganyan. Yes, you are also exploring. May new location talaga. So, it's either new house, new residence, bagong bahay, or bagong trabaho, bagong company that you are going to work for. You are also going to take a risk. Maaring itong decision making na gagawin mo, pinag-isipan mo siya, pero risky. Pero alam mo na this is a well-calculated risk. Either changing your job, changing your career, or changing the direction na tatahakin mo, or changing home, no? Lilipat ka ng bahay. Let's see what else. Sagittarius. Money, career, finances. You're going to express, diba? Taking chances. So, I think iba sa inyo, itong risk na iti-take nyo is related sa career, trabaho ninyo. You are also going to tap into your talents, your skill set in design, in fashion. So, sa love life, codependency, and self-love. So, you will focus on yourself, taking care of yourself. Mas gugustuhin mo ngayon maging independent, na magawa yung mga gusto mo nang hindi umaasa sa iba. And anything na sa tingin mo is toxic pagdating sa relationship, whether this is romantic, family, or friendship, you will try to avoid those kinds of connections, okay? Sovereign. You are the queen of your life. Treat yourself like a royalty. Yes, you will be in charge of your life. Ikaw yung masusunod, no? Hindi mahayaan na ikaw ang i-control, because you want to focus on yourself, to be more independent, to have your own decisions na walang nakikigulo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much and good luck. See you again.